the eyes closed. Try and sit upright. Just start to connect with your breath. So your inhalations and your exhalations. Inhale deep. Exhale completely. You can continue with me. Inhale deeply. Breathing in. There's nothing Uncle doing, just breathing in.
Just a sec.
Okay. And breathing out. One more time, we breathe in. And breathe out completely. Slowly from here, we start to open the eyes. And we'll come into standing position. चलेगा, that is fine. चलेगा, that's okay. तो अभी जैसे आपका right hand move कर रहा है, that is what is happening आपको?
Yeah.
अभी जैसे है तो that is continuously moving like that. Like what I just saw, there was a lot of movement. Yeah, so that is what.
होता रहता है, हाँ, बीच में.
And this is not like controllable.
Once you forcefully remember to close it, तो होता है, फिर बाद में फिर से शुरू हो जाता है.
अपने आप, and full day it is remaining like this, the tremors.
Yeah.
Okay. ठीक है, no problem. ठीक है, you come on the mat. You completely relax. And you just stretch the hands forward and inhale. चलेगा, मुझे दिख रहा है, don't worry. मुझे सिर्फ हाथ दिख जाएंगे तो हो जाएगा उससे. So inhale, fully open the arms. And exhale, bring your palms back. तो हम ये सांस के संग में बराबर से करेंगे. Inhale, धीरे-धीरे करके आप सांस पूरी लीजिए, open करो. और exhale, bringing your hands back, palms to touch each other. And we'll continue. Inhale, slowly stretching the hands by the side. Exhale, coming back. Continue. Inhale, slowly open. Exhale and back. Inhale and open. Exhale and back. Continue. Inhale and open. Exhale and back. Focus on the breath. Inhale and open. Exhale back. Inhale and open. Exhale and back. We'll continue. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. One more. Breathe in. Synchronize with the breath. Breathe out. And release the hands, Uncle, by the side. Keep your eyes closed. Just allow the hands to hang freely by the side of your body. Gently from here, open the eyes. Interlock your hands, bring it to your chest, elbows completely relaxed. Now inhale, we'll stretch the hand forward, palms facing forward. Samne ki taraf, yes. And exhale, bringing your palms back to your chest and elbows completely relaxed. We'll continue with this. Inhale, slowly stretching the arms forward. Exhale and up. Very nice. Inhale and forward. Exhale and up. Inhale forward. Exhale back. Inhale forward. Exhale back. Two more times. Inhale and forward. Exhale back. Last one, inhale and forward. Exhale, back and release. And release the hands. Completely relax the arms, the shoulders. And again, interlock the hands, bring it to the chest. This time we'll raise the hands 135 degrees. So inhale, the arms will go up to 135. पूरा ऊपर नहीं जाएगा until 135. Huh? Exhale and back. Correct. And elbows will be relaxed again. Yes. Continue. Inhale forward. Up to 135. Exhale back. Continue. Inhale to 135. You can keep the eyes closed. Exhale and synchronize with the breathing. Inhale and out. Exhale and back. Continue. Inhale up. Exhale and back. And from here, slowly we'll start the arms moving up to 180 degrees all the way up. पूरा ऊपर जाएगा uncle. Inhale up. Exhale, bring the palms to your chest. Relax the hips. Again, inhale, synchronize with the breath. Exhale and back. Just focus on your breathing. Inhale, going up. Exhale, completely relax. Bring the arms down. 2 more times. Inhale up. Exhale and down. Last one. Inhale, coming up. Exhale and down. Completely release. Release the hands. Allow the hands to hang freely, eyes closed once again.
I can put this a little down, just a second.
चलेगा अंकल, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, मुझे दिख रहा है.
I think this will be better.
Okay. अभी अंकल स्टैंडिंग में ही करना है एक और. एक प्रैक्टिस और स्टैंडिंग में करेंगे. राइट. लेग्स को आप संग में ले आओ. हाँ. Now inhale slowly, your arms will go up, your ankle will lift up uncle. तो आंखें खोल कर करना है ये वाली प्रैक्टिस को और एक्सेल कर कर नीचे आना है. तो आप देखो एक बार वापस इनहेल कर कर एंकल लिफ्टिंग अप, हैंड्स लिफ्टिंग अप, बैलेंस रखना है. एक्सेल कमिंग डाउन. It's fine. Inhale, ankle lifted up. Yes. Look in front and exhale, coming down. We'll continue with this. Focus on the breath. Inhale, lifting your ankle and your arms up with the breathing. Exhale and down. सांस को पूरी पेट तक भरिएगा. Inhale slowly. Exhale and down. Continue. Inhale up. Exhale and down. Continue 3 more times. Inhale, coming up. Exhale down. Inhale, coming up. Follow the breath. Exhale and down. And the last one. Inhale, coming up. Exhale and down. And release. Coming into seated position from here. अब आप कैमरे को थोड़ा एडजस्ट कर लो बिकॉज़ मुझे मैट देखना जरूरी है. तो इसको अंकल we'll do seated, so we'll come into all fours. So I think you need to adjust the camera a little bit.
Yeah.
तो पैरों के लिए अंकल what you do is you face the mat only. One arm distance between the knees we will keep. एक हाथ जितना. So जहां से elbow है वहां से elbow to your fingers एक हाथ जितना गैप रखना है. Just an estimate. And then elbows अंकल आपकी knees को touch कर रहे हैं और आप ऊपर आ रहे हो. हाँ, correct. And just come up. Right. And now you just take one palm up. एक पाम ऊपर, मतलब एक पाम आगे हाथ चला लीजिए, एक मतलब एक पाम आगे की तरफ, थोड़ा सा गैप बढ़ जाएगा बस, दैट्स इट. हाँ, फाइन. And now from here what you will do is you will inhale fully, you will depress the spine, open your chest and you will look up. हाँ, एकदम परफेक्ट है, ये आप करते हो अपने उसमें भी मेरे ख्याल से. और एक्सहेल करना है, राउंडिंग योर बैक, chin to your chest. So we will continue with this. Most importantly, inhale fully, depress the spine, open the chest with the breath. Exhale and round. Continue, inhale fully. पूरी सांस लेनी है. Exhale and round. Listen to your breath. Inhale and depress the spine, observing your lower back. Exhale and round the back. We'll continue. Inhale and going down. Exhale and round. 2 more times. Inhale and depress. Exhale and round. Last one. Inhale, depress. Exhale and round. And from here, coming back to the center. अपने heel पर अंकल अगर बैठ सकते हैं. Is it comfortable for you to sit in Vajrasana? And from here, just come down into child's pose. So we just come down, sir नीचे की तरफ रख के just remain there. हाँ, एक बार relax कर लेंगे here for just 2 breaths. Inhale deeply. हाँ, just remain there. Exhale completely. One more time. Inhale and exhale completely. And now inhale, come up to seated position. Coming up to the seated position. हाँ. अभी making a fist uncle. थंब को अंदर की तरफ कर लो आप, fist. हाँ. अब आप राइट हाथ को पीछे की तरफ लेकर चले जाओ. लेफ्ट हाथ से राइट रिस्ट को पकड़ लो आप. बस हल्के हाथ से ही पकड़ना है, सच दैट आप अपने नस को फील कर सको. अब इनहेल करके बेंड बैक करना है, ओपन करना है चेस्ट को, और उसके बाद में बैलेंस के संग में, और एक्सहेल करके स्टमक को मतलब थाइस के ऊपर में रखकर सर को नीचे लेना है. वापस इनहेल करके ऊपर आना है, ओपन द चेस्ट एंड ड्रॉप बैक. एक्सहेल, राउंड द बैक, abdomen to your thighs, forehead coming down. Again, inhale, coming up, fully bending back. Exhale, ठीक चल रहा है, and down. अब पूरा सांस लेते हुए again inhale, coming up, observe the breath, fully expand the chest. Exhale and coming down, making your breath long and deep. Inhale, slowly coming up, observe your back, your spine. Exhale and coming down. Inhale, coming up, bending back. Exhale and forward. And from here, inhale, come up and release the hands. Place your hands on your thighs and release. Release. You're feeling okay?
Yeah.
Now from here, just lie down on the spine. हम सेतुबंद आसना की breathing के संग में करेंगे. तो bend both your knees and हाथ को आप बाजू में रख लो. So here, inhale, lifting your lower, middle, upper back up towards the ceiling. Exhale, upper, middle, lower back coming down. तो चालू कर सकते हैं. Inhale, slowly coming up with the breath. Exhale, coming down. Inhale, coming up with your breath. Exhale and down. Most importantly, synchronize the movement with your breathing. पैर ठीक है अंकल. Inhale, coming up. Exhale and down. पैर जो है 90 डिग्री पे रहेंगे, हल्का सा आगे रख सकते हो आप, थोड़ा सा आगे कर लो. हाँ ठीक है. Inhale, coming up. Exhale and down. Continue. Inhale, coming up. पूरी breathing के साथ exhale your upper, middle, lower back down. Continue. Inhale, coming up. Exhale and down. Inhale, coming up. पूरी breathing करनी है और exhale down. Last one. Inhale, coming up. Exhale, coming down and release. Release your legs. Stretch your legs forward. Shavasana में एक बार लेट जाइए. Legs forward. Just lying down for a moment. And now from here, bend both your legs. अब हम करेंगे अंकल folded leg lumbar stretch. Bend करने हैं legs को. हाथों को आप side में shoulder level पर ले आओ. Now breathe करना है यहाँ पर. Inhale. Exhale, drop the knees to the right side. Look over to your left. Now inhale, center. Exhale, dropping the knees to the left. Look over to your right. इस तरीके से करेंगे आप. हाँ, bend कर लो अपने knees को और हाथों को अगर फैला सकते हो जगह है तो हाथों को shoulder level पर ले आओ. Palms will face down. And now you breathe in. Inhale here. Exhale, dropping the knees. Look over to your left side. Correct. Inhale, come to center. Exhale and dropping the knees to the left. Look over to your right. Inhale, center. Exhale to your right. Look over to your left. Inhale, center. Exhale to your left. Look over to your right. Breathe in, center. Breathe out. Focus on the breath. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. And release the legs. Stretch the legs forward, legs apart. And completely relax yourself. Relax each and every vertebra of your back region. And now, turning yourself, we'll be doing Bhujangasana. तो भुजंगासना के लिए just lie down, पेट के बल पर आप लेट जाइए. हाथों को you bring them next to the chest, lower rib cage. Chin on the mat, legs together. Now inhale, slowly start to come up. हाँ, और एक अंकल पूरा नहीं उठना है, तो आप हाथों पे प्रेशर नहीं होगा, हाथ को कोई प्रेशर नहीं देना है. तो exhale down. और देखो वापस inhale coming up. हाथों को मैंने हटा दिया जमीन से. Exhale and down. Inhale coming up. Exhale and down. Breathe in. धीरे धीरे रुकिए, मैं आपको breathe in, full breath. Breathe out. धीरे धीरे करना है. Breathe in. Breathe out. We'll do this 2 more times. Breathe in. Breathe out. Last one. Breathe in. Breathe out. And relax. We'll relax in Makarasana. पूरा नहीं उठना है अंदर. वैसे लेट जाइए. नहीं तो Makarasana में आपके legs apart. Heels will point towards each other. Chin will rest on the palms. Legs को दूर करके, हाँ, heel pointing towards each other, chin resting on the palms, completely relaxing. इसके बाद में हम शलभासना करेंगे, breathing. Fist, uncle, you will make with the thumb inside, and you'll place it in the groin region. Both the hands placing down, chin on the mat. As you inhale, you lift the right leg up wherever you can without bending the knees. Exhale, coming down. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale and up. And we'll continue with this practice. Inhale, exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, coming up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. We'll continue. Inhale, coming up. Exhale, down. Last one. Inhale, up. Exhale, coming down and release. Legs apart. And once again, relax. Makarasana. Crocodile pose. Legs को दूर कर लीजिए अंकल. Same. Relax करेंगे. और heel को अंदर की तरफ कर लेंगे. Chin को palms पे रखेंगे. Correct. You can keep the eyes closed and enjoy this relaxation in your lower back, leg muscles, completely relaxed. From here, turning yourself, lying down on the spine. Spine के बल पर हम leg raising practice करेंगे. Correct. आप हाथ अगर कंफर्टेबल है तो आप ऊपर की तरफ ले जाके छोड़ सकते हो. That is fine. Back को nicely जमीन पर press करेंगे. Now inhale, right leg up. पूरा नहीं उठाने की जरूरत है. जहां तक आपको कंफर्टेबल लगे, बहुत मत उठाओ ताकि पैर में तकलीफ नहीं होनी चाहिए. नी को स्ट्रेट रखिए. नीज को स्ट्रेट. अभी बेंड है, सीधा कर लीजिए. Yes. And exhale, coming down. Correct. Inhale, left leg up. दूसरा वाला पैर. Exhale and down. We'll continue. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale, down. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale, down. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale, down. Knee को अंकल कोशिश करो straight रखने की. Inhale कितना ऊंचा उठता है doesn't matter. Exhale, coming down. One last round. Inhale up. Exhale, down. Inhale up. Exhale, coming down and release. Legs apart. Palms will face the ceiling. You can bring the hands down completely. हाथों को आप नीचे ले आइए, सर को नीचे रखिए, आंखों को बंद करके पूरे बैक को रिलैक्स कर दीजिए अच्छे से. Enjoy this relaxation again in your back. And relax your abdominal muscles as well. Removing all thoughts. And just breathing in the positive energy. The fresh air. Gently from here, turning yourself to the side. Side में अंकल, if it is comfortable, तो इस तरीके से you can come. ऐसे भी लेट सकते हो, आप ऐसे भी कर सकते हो, जैसा भी आपको ठीक लगे. नीचे वाला जो पैर है, हल्का सा उसको adjust कर लीजिए ताकि वो दबे नहीं, और उसको थोड़ा सा bend रख सकते हो. इसको भी you can keep it straight. जैसा आपको comfortable लगे. You can put a pillow below if that feels fine. Now inhale, you lift the leg up. जहां भी जाएगा, नी को स्ट्रेट ही रखो और एक्सेल डाउन. सामने की तरफ हाथ रहेंगे. दिस इज करेक्ट. इनहेल अप. नी स्ट्रेट अंकल. एक्सेल डाउन. Breathe in. Slowly coming up, keeping the knees straight. Exhale down. Having full grip on your muscles. Inhale, coming up. Exhale down. Side leg raising. Last one. Inhale up. Exhale, coming down and release. Turn yourself on the other side. Same practice on the other side. Inhale, knees will remain straight. It is not important to raise high. Keep the knees straight. Exhale down. Inhale, coming up. Exhale down. Inhale, coming up. Exhale down. 2 more times. Inhale up. Exhale down. Last one. Inhale, coming up. Exhale, going down and release. Lie down on your spine, legs apart, again in Shavasana. Completely relax yourself. Nose breathing. Okay. And now from here, bring the legs together. We'll go for Pavan Muktasana breathing. Last one of these breathing practices. Take your hands above the head, place it on the ground. पैरों को संग में ले आइए अंकल. हाँ. अब inhale करके right leg को ऊपर लेकर आएंगे. Exhale करके right knee को bend करेंगे. Interlock your hands, bring it to your chest, knee to your chest. If you are comfortable, we'll bring the forehead to our knee. Now inhale, bringing the head down. Hands will go by the side. Stretch the leg up. Exhale, bringing the leg down. Hands above the head. मैं कराती हूँ. I'll get you to do. Inhale, right leg up. Yes, and exhale, bend the knee, bring it to the chest, interlock your hands to your knee, forehead to your knee. With this exhalation, exhale करना है, lips को नहीं tight करना है. Inhale कर नीचे जाना है, हाथों को पास में और पैर को ऊपर की तरफ. Heart will be by the side. चलेगा, and exhale down. That's fine. Don't worry, it's will not complicate. Inhale, left leg up, left wala uncle. Lips relaxed. Exhale, bend your knee, interlock forehead to your knee. Interlock your hands to your knee, forehead will come to the knee. Forehead knee की तरफ. Now inhale, सर नीचे की तरफ जाएगा, पैर ऊपर, हाथ को पास में ले आइए. हाँ, correct, and exhale down. Correct. We'll do one last round. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale, bend. चलेगा. Focus on the breathing. Bringing the knee to the chest. Back press hota अच्छे से. हाँ. Inhale, bringing the head down. Straighten the leg if you can. Keep the hands by the side. Exhale down. चलेगा. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale, bend. Interlock. Forehead to the knee. Inhale, bringing the head down. Stretch the leg up. Exhale, perfect, and exhale down. Relax in Shavasana completely. Eyes closed. Completely relax here. Keeping the eyes closed. Turning yourself, coming up to the standing position. Uncle, coming up to the standing position. Chalega. That's fine. The first practice we will be doing is drill walking. तो ये प्रैक्टिस अंकल सुबह भी करनी है, शाम भी करनी है. ये वाली अभी जो कराना चालू कर रही हूँ मैं, ये सुबह भी करनी है, शाम को भी करनी है. ठीक है? Now this is called drill walking. So what you will do is, if you can have space, आप walk कर सकते हो. So 1, continue like this. जैसे marching करते हैं, उस तरीके से. Correct. आप चल भी सकते हो, अगर आपके घर में जगह है, तो अभी तो मैट पर कर सकते हो आप. बाद में you can walk in straight line like this. Continue with this. Very nice. Nice synchronization. Normal breathing के संग में होठों को relax करिए. Continue with this. ये अंकल 5 मिनट तक करना है, सुबह 5 मिनट, शाम को 5 मिनट. अभी आप करो. I'll get you to do little less today because we are just starting. Lips को relax कर लो आप. There should be no strain. Don't get tired. Correct. Synchronizing is nice. Continue with that. Very nice. Continue. Mentally not giving up. If you're able to do physically, lips will be again relaxed. So just practice completely by relaxing your body. Keep your mind at ease. बस और करेंगे. 5, 4, lips relaxed. 3, 2, and 1. Release. Release कर दीजिए. You can release completely. We've only done 1.5 minutes today, but we'll increase the speed. We'll increase the time to about 5 minutes. Just keep the eyes closed. Pura relax हो जाएगा. Gently again open the eyes. Now uncle we'll do toe walking. ठीक है? Toes walking. तो toe पर आप आ जाओ. जैसा you had come. So you'll be on your toes. And you'll walk forward. Correct. सीधे सीधे आप एक लाइन में भी चल सकते हो. अगर जगह है तो you can walk the house. There is no problem. But remain on the toes so the heel is lifted up. So you're doing toe walking. Continue with this practice. Also toe walking सुबह 5 मिनट and शाम को 5 मिनट करना है. तो राउंड राउंड के बदले में अगर सीधी सीधी भी जगह है अंकल straight, तो you can do that even if you are going away from my screen, that's fine, but you continue to walk. Hand को relaxed रखिए completely, but on your toes. Yeah. Continue with this. अगर पैरों में दर्द नहीं हो रहा है तो हम 1 मिनट और करेंगे कम से कम आप. But normal breathing रखिए. Don't hold your breath at any point of time. Usually when we are thinking, we tend to not breathe properly. So just let go, surrender completely of any thoughts. Have faith in your practice, in yourself. With an intention to heal yourself. The power to heal ourselves is within ourselves. And you can release, come back to the mat. Release. 2 minutes ही किया uncle, but you'll keep yourself now relaxed. Eyes closed. Relax कर लो uncle, नहीं कहीं जाना नहीं. आँख बंद कर लो. अभी we will be doing heel walking also. Breathing. And from here, the next practice, we will be doing heel walking. Heel पर अंकल, heel के बल पर आप आ जाइए और सेम चीज करते करते आप सीधे सीधे चलने का करो. Yes. सीधा सीधा करके फिर साइड से अंकल चल सकते हो, नो प्रॉब्लम. जैसा आप टोज पे चल रहे थे, हाँ नीचे की तरफ कर दो. I'll be able to see you. That's fine. And you can walk the house on your heel. Correct. Balance कर करके you need to walk. Even this practice you should be doing 5 minutes morning, 5 minutes evening. Shuru mein 5 minutes might be tough, but eventually we'll build it up to 5 minutes morning, 5 minutes evening. If the leg starts hurting, the heel starts hurting, just let me know. A very good practice to get your balance, to move the energy to the lower part of the body. Extremely good practice prescribed for Parkinson's.
Right वाला सीधा नहीं जाता.
सीधा नहीं जा रहा है. अच्छा तो ठीक है अंकल अभी
it's a little bent.
Okay. So
I don't know why, but
ठीक है, I'll have a look at it.
हाँ
ठीक है चलेगा अंकल, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. Continue with that, don't worry about it for now. First let's just start. सीधा सीधा अंकल चलिए, सीधा. Yeah. We'll continue. Heel के ऊपर में. Without thinking again, just practice on the heel for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Completely release. And lying down until now, release, and you can lie down in Shavasana. Keep your eyes completely closed. We'll go for deep relaxation technique. So this is the last for the practice uncle, yeah? So just completely आप चश्मा को उतार दीजिए and just lie down. Yeah. Shoulders completely relaxed. Relax the back, your neck. Feel the weight of the body getting transferred to the ground. Letting go of all the thoughts here. Thoughts of any work that is pending. Thoughts of any disease, the ailments, your health, your family. Completely let go. Believe in this life force, your breath. Allow this breath to go in deeply, coming out completely. From here, start to bring the awareness to the lower part of your body. Completely relax your toes, ankle joints. Sensitize the soles of your feet and completely relax. Relax your calf muscles. Gently pull up your kneecaps and relax. Relax your thigh muscles. Buttock muscles and your hip joints. Let us enhance this relaxation by making a sound of a inhale. You will feel the vibrations in the lower part of your body. Let us bring the awareness to the middle part of your body. Relax your abdominal muscles, chest muscles, shoulder blades, and your shoulder joints. Relax your upper back, middle back, and your lower back. Relax each and every vertebra of your back region. Relax your biceps, triceps, and your elbow joints. Relax your forearm muscles, wrist joints, and your fingers. Let us enhance this relaxation, making a sound of ooh. Inhale. Ooh. Bring the awareness to the upper part of your body. Relax your chin, lower jaw, upper jaw, lower lips, upper lips. And collapse your tongue nicely. Relax your cheek muscles, facial muscles, and your nostrils. Relax your eye region, temple muscles, and the crown of your head. Let's enhance this relaxation by making a sound of more. A. Your body is now totally relaxed from the head to the toe. Let us enhance this relaxation in your entire body by making a sound of O, U, and A. Feel the resonance throughout the body. Slowly from here, when you're ready, start to bring both the legs together. Keep your eyes closed. Turn to any side. With the support of the palms, push the ground. Come up to the seated position. Whichever way it is comfortable. Keep the eyes closed and coming into cross-legged. Enjoy the lean here. Enjoying the linear awareness here of lying down on one side. From here, when you're ready, press the palms, push the ground, come up to the seated position. Fully sitting upright, coming up to seated position. Keep the eyes closed for a moment and just take a moment to observe our breath, speed of the breath, speed of the heart, state of the mind, feeling calm, darkness. We'll end the practice today by telling ourselves, I'm a happy and I'm a healthy human being. With these thoughts, rub your palms nicely. Cup your eyes. One more time, rubbing your palms. Make them warm. Cup the eyes. Slowly, with a blink, open your eyes. Look at your palms. Thank you. Thank you for the session. You have a nice day.